What would you love to learn about today? Cupcakes! Do you love a surprise? Yes, you. Look! Nice moves! Hey, that's a fancy box. Are you going to open it? Are you sure you should shake that box? Ooh, open it up. What's inside? That is a very yummy looking cupcake. Oh no, that cupcake did look delicious. You could make your own special cupcake. Yes, you. You could make one or even a bunch of them. That's called baking. Okay, let's get baking. Perfect. A table with all you need to make cupcakes. Are you ready to get started? All those things need to be mixed together to make cupcakes. Whoa! Let me help you. First, put some butter and sugar in. And mix them together until it gets fluffy. Now gently crack an egg in. And now add the flour. That was funny. Almost done. Add the milk and stir to make it nice and smooth. Great job! Now pour everything into the cupcake liners. Now they're ready to get baked in the oven. Mr. Elephant, great timing. As an adult, could you bake the cupcakes in the oven for us, please? Hooray! Those cupcakes have to cool down before you can do the next part. Time to decorate. Those cupcakes look just as fancy as the one in the box. Are you going to eat that special cupcake you made? Oh, thank you, Bamboo Love. I love cupcakes too. Today, Bamboo Love learned about